तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा के मुताबिक वज़ीर आज़म पाकिस्तान ने एक आला सतही वफ्द के हमरा सऊदी अरब का सरकारी दौरा किया। दौरे के दौरान वज़ीर आज़म ने सऊदी वली अहद शहजादा मोहम्मद बिन सलमान से मुलाकात की, जिसमें दो तरफा ताल्लुकात, सरमायाकारी के मौक़े और इलाक़ाई ताउन पर तफसीली गुफ्तगू हुई।
The DPM Foreign Minister spoke to the Foreign Minister of Algeria, Ahmed Attaf, on 29 October 2025. Expressing satisfaction at the positive trajectory of bilateral cooperation, both leaders reaffirmed their commitment to further strengthening Pak-Algeria relations and enhance coordination in multilateral fora, including the United Nations. The Deputy Prime Minister, Foreign Minister, also received a telephone call from his Turkish counterpart, Hakan Fidan, during which the two leaders discussed the evolving situation in Gaza and the next steps and modalities for achieving lasting peace in Palestine. The Foreign Minister, Hakan Fidan, invited the Deputy Prime Minister, Foreign Minister, to Turkey for the forthcoming meeting next week of the 8 foreign ministers of partner countries who were engaged on the sidelines of UNGA 80 in the diplomatic process on Gaza.